In this video, we are going to say about paper 2 document production from specimen paper 2023. We have been supplied with the following source file, so they will give this source file in the folder. The folder is located on the desktop with this file name. So first we are going to task 1 evidence document. Open the file sp02 evidence.otf. So in the folder, we are going to open the sp02 evidence. Make sure that your name, center number and candidate number will appear on every page of this document. We want to make sure that our name should center number and candidate number should be placed on every page of the document. For that we are going to insert, go to header, blank 3 columns. In the left side we are going to give your name. In middle we are going to give our center number. In third one we are going to give our register number. Save this evidence document in your work area as sp02 evidence followed by a candidate number. For example, sp02 evidence like this. So we want to save the file in this format. So go to the file, go to the save as, go to the browse. In the desktop, in the folder, we are going to give sp02 evidence with the register number like this and click save. And minimize the document. Don't close the document, minimize the document. So wherever if they are asking screenshot, we want to place the screenshot in this document. Task 2 document. Use in your suitable software package. Open the file sp02 super.otf. First we want to open the file sp02 super from the folder. So this is the document and this is the report which we are going to edit according to the question paper. So we open the file. Next, the page setup is set to A4. So we want to set the page setup to A4. So go to the page layout, go to the size, and select A4. Next, they are asking landscape orientation. For that, go to page layout, go to orientation and go to landscape. Sometimes they will ask portrait. So in this question paper, they are asking landscape. So you want to be careful in the part. Next, 2 centimeters margins. So go to the page layout again, go to the margins, go to the custom margins and give top 2 centimeter, bottom 2 centimeter, left 2 centimeter, right 2 centimeter. And click OK. Sometimes the margins will not be in the centimeters. The margins will not be in the centimeter. Sometimes it would be in as inches, millimeter, points, like that. If they are if the measurement is like that, means we want to change. How we are going to change? Go to the file, go to the options, go to the advanced, under the heading of display, show measurement in units of, it should be in the centimeter. Sometimes it will be in inches, millimeter, points, because so we want to give the centimeter. Sometimes in the exam they will ask inches. If they are asking inches, means you want to change like that, and click OK. So save the document in your work area with the file name broker. Make sure it is saved in the format of the software you are using. So we want to change the file name from SP0 to Super to broker. Which format of the software we are using? We are using Word document. So we want to change the file type as Word document. So for that, go to the file, go to the save as, go to the browse. In the desktop, you want to go to the desktop. In the desktop, in this folder, sorry, in this folder, we want to, in the inside this folder, we are going to give the name broker, and the file type should be Word document, and click save and click OK. So now see at top, the file name will be saved as the broker. Now place in your evidence document a screenshot to show this file has been saved. Make sure there is a evidence of the file type. So we want to take the screenshot. You need the screenshot that we save the file name with the Word document. For that, open the folder. This is the folder. We want to open this folder. Open the subfolder and see the broker. See, the Microsoft Word document is not fully visible. For that, we want to move our mouse near to the type and size. With the help of the left button, just drag. Now open the snipping tool. Go to the search and type snipping tool. SNIPPING. So the snipping tool will come. Just click the snipping tool and it will open. And click new and move the mouse near to the broker. With the help of the left button of the mouse, just drag. Copy this and go to the evidence document and paste. Question number 2. Place in the footer of the file broker automated page number left align, your name, center number, and candidate number right align. So we want to insert the footer and we want to insert the page number and we want to type our name, center number, and candidate number. For that, open the document, go to insert, go to footer, blank 3 columns. This is the left and this is the right, and this is, sorry, this is left, center, and right. So in the question paper, in the left side, they are asking to insert the automated page number. For that, select the left side, go to the insert, go to the quick paths, go to the field, and from this you want to select page. Select the page and select the format 123 and click OK. On the right side, we want to give our name, comma, center number, and our register number. So we finish this part. So make sure that all the alignments match the page margins. No other text is included in the header and footer area. The footer is displayed on all pages. So see, the footer is displayed on all pages, and we made one mistake. What is the mistake? No other text is included in the header and footer area. See, in the footer area, the type here, the middle one is there. So we want to remove this. Select and delete. Now see, into page of the document, it will not be there. The page number and our details will be available, and it should be in the margins. Yes, the header and footer is in the margins. See, it is in the margins. Now question number 3, create and store the following style basing each on the default paragraph style. So we want to create the style, and we want to create the ty subhead style and ty table. For that, first go to the document, go to the home. Under the styles, there will be the arrow. Click this arrow. We will call this as the style manager or organizer. Before creating the style, you want to keep your mouse at the last of the document, because while you're creating style, it will apply on in some of the content. So to avoid this, we want to keep your mouse at the last of the document. See, the mouse, the point is now in the after the last of the document. Now we can create the style. So go to the home, go to the styles. Under the style, click this arrow. The style manager will be open. In this, you want to click double A to create the new style. Click this double A, and we want to give the styling ty submit as per question paper. And the question paper, they are giving the paragraph style. So the style type should be paragraph default, so no need to change that. Now the font style, they are given sans serif. Sans serif means Arial. So give the Arial, and font size they are given 16, and give 16, and alignment should be center, and alignment should be center. This is left, this is center, this is right, and this is justify. They are asking center, so you want to select this. And enhancement will be all capitals and bold. So we are going to give the bold. For the all capitals, you want to go to the format and go to the font and go to the all caps and click OK. And next, line spacing, they are given single, before 0, after 9. So single, 0, 9. For that, go to the format again, go to the paragraph, select the line spacing single, before 0, after 9. So I'm going to give 9. Click OK and click OK. Now see, already I say no. Wherever you keep in your mouse, if you create in any style, the document will be look like this. To avoid this, what you want to do, select this, and this is the body. So you want to select the body. So in many students, they will make the mistake in this. So we want to be very careful. Where you are keeping your file, in that place, what are the styles you are creating, it will be changed. Now we are going to create the TY table. So go to the home again. You want under the styles, you want to click this arrow. The style manager will be open. Create the style, and you want to give the name UI table, and they are given font style serif. Serif means Times New Roman. I am writing in the short form. So go to the we want to give Times New Roman, and font size will be 11. Alignment should be center. So font size will be 11. The alignment should be center. And enhancement will be italic. And enhancement will be italic, and check whether it is in the caps. If it is caps means you want to remove that. It is not in the caps, so no need. Then line spacing will be single, before will be 0, after will be 0. So go to the format, paragraph, single line spacing, before 0, after 0. In sometimes in some past paper they will give 1.5, double, at least, exactly, multiple. So we can select according to the question paper and click OK. And click OK. Now we create the table. Now we can see ty subbed and ty table will be created. Now take the screenshot to show that you have defined the settings for the ty subbed style. So we want to take the ty subbed style screenshot and we want to place it on the evidence document. So open the document. Can you see ty subbed? Click this arrow and modify. uh, and we also change the line spacing. So we want to open this format, paragraph, line spacing. Now open the snipping tool, go to the new, copy this. If you open the evidence document, it will not open because we want to click OK. We want to close these two settings. Now we can open the evidence document and paste. Now evidence 3. Now next question. Display these custom style name as the list in the style manager organizer. Take the screenshot evidence to show that you have created, named and saved this style. Place this in your evidence document. So we want to take the style manager and we want to place it as the screenshot. So this is the style manager. Take the screenshot of this and place it on the evidence document. Click this. Sorry. Sometimes it will not come. So to avoid this, what you want to do, in your keyboard there will be the Windows key and print PRTSC, print screen. So press the window key and the print screen at the same time. So the screenshot will be taken. This is another way. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to paste on the evidence 3 like this. Now I'm going to select the image, go to the format and use the crop. Crop, if you want you can make it as a bigger like this. So you can make the step 5 down. There are two ways to take the screenshot, using the snipping tool, or you want to press the Windows key and the print screen at the same time in your keyboard. Windows key and the print screen at the same time to take the screenshot. Yes. Now question number 5. The style name TY title has already been created, stored and applied to the title text. Modify the TY title style. So what they are asking for, this is the title text. For this already, see, if I am selecting this title text, so it will show TY title. So what they are asking, we want to modify this. Modify, and according to the question paper we want to change. Sans serif means Arial and font size 32. Sans serif means Arial is 32. 32 is not there. So I'm going to enter the 32 and press the tab key in your keyboard. Next alignment will be center. So I'm going to give the alignment as the center, this one. bold and underline, bold and underline, and remove the italic. And line spacing will be single, before will be 0, after will be 6. So go to the format, go to the paragraph, line spacing, before 0, after will be 6. So I'm going to reduce. Click OK and click OK. Now see, it will be changed. The title text will be changed. Place in your evidence document a screenshot of the style settings for the TY title. So we want to take the TY title screenshot. So go to the TY title, click this arrow, go to the modify, go to the format, paragraph. Now we are going to take with the help of the snipping tool, we are going to take the screenshot. Or you can use the Windows print screen. Copy this and go to, it will not open. I say no. So you want to click OK and click OK. And go to the evidence for control V. Next, below the title, add a subtitle draft report by and add your name. Below the title, you want to type this with your name. Draft report by. Below the title means go to the title and press enter and type draft. How they are asking whether any caps letter you want to check. Yes, only DSC caps. So report by and add your name like this. So now I add the draft report by below the title. The style name title is already been created and stored. Apply this style to the text you entered in step 6. We entered draft report by in the step 6. So we want to apply the TY subtitle to this. So what I am going to do, select the draft report by and go to the subtitle. Click the subtitle. So it will be look like this. Now question number 8. Change the page layout so that the subheading, global analysis and all following text is displayed in two equally spaced columns with the 2 centimeter spacing between the columns. So first what we want to do in the document, we want to select the global analysis and all following text. Next they are asking we want to give two equally spaced columns. For that, go to the page layout, go to the columns, go to the more columns, and number of columns should be 2 and space should be 2 centimeter, because in the question paper they are asking 2 centimeter space, so we want to give the space should be 2 and click OK. So now the document will be in available in two columns with 2 centimeter space. Now identify 5 subheadings in the document and apply the TY subhead style. So first we want to identify 5 subheadings. For that, global analysis is 1 and select the subheading TY subhead style. And next business review, next one. And next sales, you want to identify. We want to identify the subheadings. And charters will be 4. And conclusion will be 5. Now we apply the 5 subheadings. Next, locate the table in the document. We want to locate the table in the document. So this is the table. First you want to select the table. You want to click this arrow mark. this one. If you move your mouse near to the table, you will get. Select the table, go to the design, and first give the borders. In the table style, the first border you want to give. So it is why we are giving the border means next if you are going to edit anything in the table, it will be very easy for us. Next, sort the data in the table in the descending order of length in meters. The length in meters should be in descending order. Descending order means 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. This is the descending order. So for length in meters, we want to give the descending order. So what you want to do, you want to select the value of length in meters and go to the ohm. In the paragraph, there will be A to Z. You want to click this. Click this, and already we select the length in meter value, column 2. We are going to give the descending and click OK. Now the value will be changed. Next, insert the new row between the Germany and United Arab Emirates. So between United Arab Emirates and Germany, we want to insert the new row. So now I'm going to select the United Arab Emirates. Right click your mouse, go to the insert and insert row above. If you are selecting Germany means you want to select the insert row below. So now I am selecting United Arab Emirates. I am insert the new row above. So in this we want to enter the value China 926. So I am going to enter the value China 926. Now question number 12. Apply the TY table style to the table. We want to apply the TY table style. So select the table and give the TY table. So now the value will be changed. Make sure the data is wrapped within the table. We want to check the data is wrapped within the table. See the length in meter, the number of yards. These are the wrap. Wrap means the sentence. It will be like the sentence. So what we want to do? We want to expand the table, and we want to make as a single line. Length in meters, number of yards, and United States of America, and again number of yard, length in meters, number of yards. We want to adjust the table like this, and all grid lines are displayed when printed. So while you're printed, all the grid lines should be printed. Next, all bordered and data fit within the column width. You want to check. See, this is the column 1, this, and this is the column. It is fit inside the column, it is not outside the column. There are 6 point space after the table. After the table, there should be 6 points. So what you want to do, going to do, I'm going to select the Italy and I'm going to press enter. So there will be a 6 point space. If you want, you can go and check. Go to the paragraph in the home, go to the paragraph, click this arrow, and before you want to give 6 and click OK. So there will be a 6 point space. Next, format the first row of the table to be center aligned over 3 columns. So the first row should be in the 3 columns, column 1, column 2, column 3. So I'm going to select the first row, right click your mouse, merge the cell. So it will be available on the 3 columns. Next, import the image sp02 yard.jpg and place this below the subheading charters. So below the subheading charters, we want to insert the image. So below the subheading charters, we are going to insert the image. Go to the insert, go to the pictures, go to the folder and insert the image. So now the image is inserted. Next, reflect the image so the yard points to the left. So this point in this image, the yard point should be on the left side. So we want to reflect the image. For that, select the image, go to the rotate, and you want to give flip horizontal. Now the image will be on the left side. Next, format the image so that it is resized to the width of 6 centimeters with the aspect ratio maintained. So we want to give the width. Width means this is the width. Height means this is the height. So the width we want to give 6 centimeters. So select the image and go to the width should be 6 centimeter. I'm going to type 6 centimeter. 6. And so now the image size will be in the 6 centimeter. Next, they are asking it is aligned to the left column margin and the top of the paragraph starting Yatavara Yat charter. So we want to align the image to the left column margin. So already it is in the left column margin and it should be at the top of the paragraph. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to select the image, go to the format, the wrap text I'm going to give the title. You want to give the title. So automatically the image will be started from the starting of the paragraph Yatavara Yat charters. So you want to give like this. So the text wrap we give in the image. Next, spell check and proofread the document. And we want to spell check. For that, go to the review, go to the spelling and grammar, and we want to spell. We can close the sides. And already in the question paper they are given this name, so we want to ignore all. Next, meter, M-E-T-R-E. The meter correct spelling is M-E-T-R, so you want to change all. Owl grape, there should be space, so we are going to change all. Your center number is correct, so we want to ignore. And now the spelling is and grammar check is complete, so you want to click OK. So make sure that the table is not split over two column pages. We want to make sure. No, the column is in a single. It is not in the second column. It is in the first column. So we are did correct. There are no widows or orphan. Widows or orphan means the subheading sometimes it will be as a single. Only the subheading will be there. The content will not be there. So it is correct. There is no any blank pages or like that. So there is no blank pages. Styles are applied consistently. Spacing is consistent between all items. So you want to save the document using the same file name format using step 1 and print the document. So save the document. Already we give the file name. So just save the document. For the print, you want to go to the file and print and select the printer. So this is about the document production task 2. In next video we can see about the presentation.